Hello traders. Today is 23rd of May 2024. Today overall the markets as most of the pair we have seen some consolidation, but we managed very decent profit, especially trading all the yen pair. Let me share with you guys how we help our traders. Let's look at the euro yen first. And if you look at the euro yen and based on the 4 hour, as we mentioned, we were expecting possibility. That's what we had it this morning. And as I said to my trader, trade what you see and not what you think. So if you look at here, this is the, if you look at the 4 hour chart, bigger picture. So we were expecting market might going to break. So we have slightly this breakout. We were expecting market might going to shoot down, but we had a short trade, bank amazing profit, and as soon as the market reversed, we bank some profit. After that, we have taken a long here. So how we have taken a counter and the trend long trade here, let me share with you guys. That was a pretty straightforward. If you look at the market's price structure, price develop a symmetry triangle pattern, and if you can hear market nicely broken, and after the breakout market nicely retest, that give us the confirmation. So beautiful short trade. As soon as the market hit to the previous low level, as explained my trade, it's time to enjoy some profit. Let's see if we can get another pullback. So we were expecting a pullback, but as you can see market, we were expecting a pullback at this level. That's why our intraday system help us. We haven't seen any pullback, market nicely broken, develop a false breakout, and give us the confirmation. And another way to look at market develop inverted head and shoulder pattern, as explained by today. If the market is going to break this resistance, take along, we have beautiful breakout, market nicely hit to the profit target and bank amazing profit. And afterwards, as always, looking for always pullback, we have another beautiful two pullback long here, and still market is going up. Traders are still holding long on euro yen. They have really enjoyed amazing profit on euro yen today. All right, let's look at the another one. Let's look at the dollar yen. So if you look at the dollar yen, we had amazing trade, and based on the 4 hour, we were expecting, because if you look ahead, the market nicely respected here. So we were expecting if the market is going to break, then taking a short, otherwise long. So we also had a counter short trade, which we came out of the break even. Later on, market respected the previous high. We are long on dollar yen. So how we have taken all both counter and trendy trades here, let me share with you guys how we analyze the market. So this morning, as you can see here, 6:38 just before London open, market nicely broken and market developed head and shoulder pattern. So we were expecting possibility of short. So market did develop a short trade here, and as soon as the market hit to the previous high, this level, as explained by trader, market has developed another pattern. So more likely, boom, you stop loss at the break even. So we came out this one as a break even, and afterward, as soon as the market developed a double bottom here, as you can see here, so we update our analysis instantly as a, if the market is going to break, let's keep taking a pullback. Otherwise, possibility of long, as you can see, momentum was bullish, market nicely broken the structure, beautiful long trade here and head to the profit target. That's what explained my trade is time to enjoy amazing profit. So same in euro yen. If you pound yen, if you look at here, we had a beautiful you know short trade and also long trade here. So let me explain to you how we analyze the market. So if you look at the 4 hour chart, and that's what we explained, we were expecting market might gonna break this level. We also had counter short trade, bank some profit afterward. As soon as the market respected previous high, we have taken a long trade here. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the market. That was a beautiful trade, guys. Especially if you look at this morning, we had this beautiful breakout long trade here, bank amazing profit afterwards. As soon as the market developed a reverse impulsive reaction, so we were expecting this breakout, beautiful breakout, bank amazing profit, and afterwards we were expecting a continuation. This is what we're expecting here, pullback, but market refused to develop a pullback, as you can see here. The market impulsively reaction. So then we will look at all the points. You can see here, market previously respected and respected. So market respected previously. So we're looking the structure breakout, price nicely broken and hit to the profit target and bank amazing profit. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this analysis. I would say that you can enjoy more when you're watching those analyses in real time. At the same time, you can learn, at the same time you can earn, bank amazing profits. So most welcome, join my fast growing trader community, and thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day and wish you all the best. Until next time, take care.